Love one thing. Love one thing. Ijemu na love no fadulu one thing. Ijemu na love no fadulu one thing. Love one thing. Love one thing. Ijemu na love no fadulu one thing. Ijemu na love no fadulu one thing. Yeah? All in marriage, in relationship, dating, and planning to get married, come together. All come together. Ikpumkpu. Ikpumkpu. To cover. Ikpumkpu. Cover. Akogheli. Akogheli. In all males versus females, marriage, relationship, dating, Akogheli. When you guys, the first time you saw yourself, there were a good beginning. You loved yourself. You introduce yourself to your different parents. You dream to be together for the rest of your life. You love yourself. You are always seen in all places, morning, afternoon, night, together, working together. Now, you guys are together. When you began, there was no problem. You saw no fault among yourselves. You exchange, you just exchange promises that you never leave each other and separate. No separation, no divorce. Then as time goes on, we are now together, and some already had their kids. They have children. Next thing, Akogheli, Akogheli, come in and start showing you guys, opening your eyes and showing you guys negativity. Showing you guys your different faults. Different unnecessary faults, weaknesses. Now, next thing, nobody want to talk to anybody. Husband and wife in relationship, planning to marry, the guy and the lady. Nobody want to talk to each other. You guys now sleep in different bed. Nobody want to hear each other. Unnecessary quarrel. Unnecessary quarrel. Everybody now aggressive, anger. You want to fight, and so end up fighting, leading to domestic violence. Then police come in, arrest. You start going to court, start looking for who to blame and who to be fined and who to be put in prison. But now you guys forgot your humble beginning when you all began all this. When you saw yourself the first time, among all the ladies, the guy saw, will choose you. And you, the guy, among all the guys, this lady saw, he love you. And if they should call you guys to ask you what really went wrong, what is happening, you continue to blame each other. She did this, he did that. She can't do this, he can't do this. But when you guys began, you didn't see those things. You didn't see all these faults. Now you are together. These faults coming in. They are Akogheli. Akogheli in marriage, relationship, in dating. Akogheli can blind the guys. When they see all the ladies, all they say, they continue to say, all females are evil. All females are evil. All ladies are evil. Akogheli causing those stuff. If you think this person has bad attitude, bad character, and you are perfect, and you like her, then it is your responsibility and your job to fix her. And you, the lady, fix the guy. There are ways you might show somebody kindness. The way you treat this person, it changes everything. Maybe this guy is seeing the ladies, all the girls, any girl that he sees or any lady he sees, he tag them, they are all evil. But you treat him in different ways. That goes vice versa. Then you change all that Akogheli vision given to that person, given to the guy and the lady. You change the vision and wipe them off. They know there are so many good in this world, and there are no evil girl, and there are no evil boy, no evil guy, no evil lady. They are Akogheli causing those stuff. A girl hated in the community. Nobody wanna talk to her. Nobody wanna go to her, and leave her like that, isolated. She goes, does everything alone. Goes to shopping. She has all the money, but you don't know the pain she's passing through inside her home. In the night, she stays lonely, crying. What have I done? What have I done? And nobody wanna help. The guy goes in crying. Why are all the females hating on me? Because of all these are Akogheli. All of them are from Akogheli, negative forces. And Akogheli want the world to end. I'm telling you now. And they are all inferior spirits that claim they are right. Akogheli, Akogheli. They always claim they are right. They are inferior evil spirits. They are inferior spirits. Never allow Akogheli to control your mind, control your home, control your relationship, control your marriage. When problems start rising, you guys should come together like teamwork, like go to round table, go inside the room and settle. If it is to have sex that will solve the problem, have enough sex and stay together. You will see that vision Akogheli putting on you will disappear. To destroy all these Akogheli forces, where they are rising from and where they might struggle to rise again in all marriage, dating and relationship, and male and female that are still single, making the males don't want to talk to you, making the females don't want the males don't want to talk to the females, making the females don't want to talk to the guys. All the Akogheli to destroy them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, tatiri bitacolas, male dog, nkita, male dogs, obagu, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, otinku chicken, 4 he-goats. Destroy and turn all the Akogheli upside down to block them where they might struggle to rise again. I use all animals, roosters, hens, tatiri bitacolas, Ebo ngene, green, blocking. Chuku and Indo hotel walls, all colors blocking. Uncountable rabbit, build physical and spiritual giant walls. Block all the Akogheli. I block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And to cover them, I use Oke and Adili chicken, Obolocha and Oboloji, white and black chicks, tatri uncooked eggs, tatri bitacola, tatri uncooked eggs. Ibu nkata aja basket ritual capture all the Akogheli in marriage, in relationship, in dating, making the males hating the females, making the females hating the males. Capture all the Akogheli, bring them down, cover them. Use trash bags, black blankets, cover all the Akogheli, bring them down, tie, chain, blind, block, cover, bury, cover all the Akogheli and banish them out. The ones in the mind, in the soul, in the head, giving you a different reason, coming to your mind and your head, in the body system, to cast them out. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goat, I got my lizard, house, grasshoppers, soda and sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors, burning incense, burning sage. Cast out all the Akogheli forces in all male's mind, in all female's mind, in body, in the innermost self, causing the males don't want to talk to the ladies don't want to talk to the guys, and the ones in relationship and all in relationship, in marriage, dating, having different issues. You are female, but you have had more than 11 X. You date today, next day you separate, you guys quarrel, start having problems. You jump to another person, you have problem again. You jump to another person, you have problem again. You jump to another person, it continues going on. Either you are the one seeing the fault in all the males, or they are the one seeing fault in you. It goes vice versa. They are Akogheli causing those things. Now Akogheli banish. All stand up. Prayers skyrocket on sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit. Transfer to all males and all females, into all homes, all dating, male and female, all male and female in relationship, male versus females, males versus females in marriage, transfer to them. So Maribi, he say, it's me, Sanko, friend, Chiefpriest, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chiefpriest, what? Chiefpriest, USA. Oh! Mbọsị anyị jere egwu n'obodo USA, onye nke apụta ogbunye anyị mmanya, onye abụ apụta ogbunye anyị mmanya, ọ bụ sọ mmanya ka unu na-aṅụ, unu enwere gofu ka ịshaki ya. Egwu ndị ọma, USA egbuo na mo, egwu ndị ọma, egwu asọgbuo mo, egwu ndị ọma, egwu ndị ọma, ụmụ nwanyị asọgbuo mo, egwu ndị ọma.